Hello. So today is May 10, 12:22 p.m. Can you see it? You can see it. It's not boxing. So, ayan. And we have red them right now. And I'm gonna go now. I'm ready. Ready. And I have here, my notes, my ethos, and my door. Hello. Hello. So, I cook Samyang bulldog and bought homemade siomai, and I'm going to watch, I don't know, maybe Keep Running or maybe Modern Family. I don't know, we'll see what I'm going to watch. And now I'm going to taste this Samyang. I'm going to taste it with cheese on it. Hi. Yummy. It's been a while since I ate Samyang carbonara. I don't, maybe it's maybe the last time that I ate this is around January when my brother is here. Diba, we bought Samyang and ate it. I'm going to eat na. Wait, let me just taste this siomai. Look, this is the siomai in front of Jollibee. Ouch! Oh my gosh. And they only sell every midnight or evening. With milk. It's good. So now, after this bite, I'm going to enjoy my time since we're done doing RATEMs. But next week we will have Copper exam, Revalida, and MacBoards exam. So yeah, bye-bye. Hi! Which one is better? This without lights or this with lights? Or this with lights, laptop lights? Okay. Hello. So today is May 11, 12:20 p.m. And yes, lumalayo yung aking paos. And may pasok kami Saturday, and finally will be able to kahit pa paano makapagpahinga and makakain ng gulay kasi uuwi ako ng Pasig mamaya after class. Actually, naka-ready na yung gamit ko. Ayan. Tsaka ayan. Tapos siguro mag-add pa ako kasi nilipat lang ako ng room para hindi na gano'n karami yung dahil ko. And dadaling ko rin pala yung scrub suit ko pa uwi para malaban siya na maayos. And yes, naghihintay na lang ako ng oras since 12:21 and ang class ko is 1:30 pa. So, baka mga 1 na lang ako papasok para sakto lang rin yung akyat ko. Yung pag-use ko ng damit. Nakaban na rin ako. And, so, naputol kayo. Ano yun? Sa katawan samanta ng red light. And, naputol kayo. Siguro dalhin ko na lang din kayo sa school mamaya. Probably, sige. Dalhin ko na lang kayo since walang mag-isa. And para nakita niyo rin. Wow. Siguro baka para ma-document ko rin yung school. Yung, ang laki ng noo ko. Kaban kasi kami. And, ayan. Hindi ko na nilagyan ng hati kasi tinatamad ako. And, shiny na naman siya. So, baka lalagyan ko. Magpupulbo tayo ng madami na mamaya. Ngayon, hindi ko alam gagawin ko. Hindi ko alam ano papanoorin ko. Naka-charge din yung phone ko. So, wala. After ng class, pagka-uwi ko, kakain na ng gulay. Ito kumain, tutulog, and wake up around 2 p.m. para mag-aral. Start na mag-aral for compre. Yun lang. See you later. See you later na lang mamaya. Ito lang damit ko. T-shirt and FEU PE pants. Bye-bye.
Shirt post niya po, parang may something.
Ay, be!
Okay, number 4. Ano nga number 4, guys?
Feeling bloated.
Okay, so you will, feel na bloated ka, parang hindi ka kinakabagan, no? Parang hindi ka kinakabagan. And nagkakaroon ka ng heartburn, no? So parang kahit na konti lang yung kinain mo, after you eat, no? Merong heartburn na ma-experience. And then number 5, ano nga yan? Next, please. Okay, you will encounter vomitus, yung kanyang binamit na na kinain. Okay? So next, number 6. Umina.
Problem with swallowing.
Number 6, guys.
Problem with swallowing.
Ayan, very good. Okay, problem, no? Yung paglunok niya, parang nagkakaroon siya ng dysphagia, no? Okay, no? Makikita mo, nahirapan siyang mag-swallow. Okay? And then next, number 7.
Either loose stools or hard stools.
Parang hindi naman naintindihan. Parang yung iba papunta sa right, yung iba papunta sa left. Okay. Again, number 7, please.
Either loose stools or hard stools.
Parang dito ko lang narinig. Dito may... pag kami, ang sakit-sakit na ang hapde. Kasi parang dry kahit na nagpiklian na sila, hindi pa rin siya parang, gano'n, na? Andun pa din yung dryness, ha? Okay, so please be professional. Pagka nag-explain sa pasyente, and pag nahiya ka, you can address, you can ask...
After reducing a forearm fracture, in order to maintain the reduction and prevent rotation of the forearm.
Okay, let's stop.
The objective of the exercise is to show the application of the above elbow circular cast, a well-molded circular cast that will maintain reduction after a forearm fracture. The fractures in children, and undisplaced radius and ulna fractures in adults. In these x-rays, the AP and lateral views of a displaced fracture of the radius and ulna in a child are shown. The correct method of reduction is illustrated in this diagram. 3-point pressure is used to maintain the reduction. The cotton wool extends.
Okay, how about trimming through the edges? Why do we need to trim the edges again? Because it could cause sharp yung edges, it could cause lacerations or
Sino? Bakit? Ano sabi? Sabi niya. Hi, Dayan. Mama, ingat.
Pag natapos mo yun,
Harap sa akin.
post mo yung ID kasi yung option. Aalasin mo yung lang.
May ganun?
Ayun, ang pinagkain. Kaya nga akala ko hindi yan narin ipapagawa kila Ava. Yun pala pinagawa ko. Kaya nag-check siya ng grooming kami. Kaya, ito yung mukhang, ano eh, ito yung ako na yung ginugroom. Ito yung mukhang taga-Egypt eh. Kung paano ako maabot.
Ang ex- Say hi. Hi. Hindi naka-focus sa'yo. Hello.
Yes. Hey, kami. May pagkado na. May ka na?
Happy Mother's Day!
Video. Manusi nga ngayon.
Bukas pa. Buksan mo.
Ah, dito oh. Kain ka.
Bukas pa yun eh.
Ngayon na. Wala eh.
Bukas pa ba?
Ayun o.
Ang galing na. Thank you. May design.
What's that? What's that? What's that? Fish, 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 fish.